Tuesday night, 7:30. Man tell me, we going on Shagona to some roadside thing. I come out with my short pants.
Roadside?
They will tell me to be some kind of roadside comedy show or something like that.
Okay.
And when I come outside, you looking dapper. I have to go and change my... Hey, this jeans fit a bit tight, boy. You don't know me for this jeans. Yeah. I hope I really don't know roadside we're going to them.
They're going roadside in some parts of the Shagonas.
Oh, gosh.
Might not leave you.
So we are on a night trip, guys. There's them lights in that stadium every night.
I'm not too sure. I have seen it in recent times, yeah.
Yeah. Coracle these nights?
Kinda, yeah. You used to go and kick ball in Montegiotto?
Nah.
You was really like a football man, eh?
No, boy, I was a love man, boy. Oh, God. In 200 meters, turn left.
You're so good at you catch me. I say, for me, not much years.
You have reached your destination. In 200 meters, stop.
When some years ago, when we went to Florida, we went. Kim's mom was with us.
Yeah.
So I didn't really know about Waze at that point in time. You know, Waze wasn't as popular as it is now.
Right.
Boy, when Kim mother hear Waze talking and turn left, she now. But how that man know everything what's going on?
Oh gosh.
We looking for a place called Avala.
Avala. Look at over there.
Huh?
Avala.
Okay.
But this is some kind of Vikings place, though. That's what I hear. Avala. What was the name? You set him up here, you know.
You get our pants from me.
You tell me, you know, study my pants. You tell me how we going on something on the roadside. Now we reach out by this place.
You hear that,
Avala.
I read.
What we done here, we come to meet people here.
No way.
Nah, he's a smart fella, you know.
It's not that bad. I didn't tell him where he coming or who he meet.
This Lieutenant is a real setup and he was telling you, Lieutenant, you tell me we come with a comedy show, right? You tell me something on the side of the road. I know.
I never tell you something on the side of the road.
I never in a nice place like this. I only make it out because of how you dress up. And Ole would not believe who is the man on the stage tonight. Mr. Fabian.
Just right. Myself
It's a
and
pleasure.
George Gonzalez. There's two of us on tonight, George Gonzalez and myself.
I am so looking forward to this.
As am I. Just right.
Yes, man. Well, I know you're prepared for them.
Have some fun. You'll have some fun tonight.
Yes, for sure. Yes, man. Take care, right?
One love.
It's a pleasure. All right. You're such a bad boy. What are you drinking?
What would you like to drink?
Something soft.
Something so. Hello. Hi. Thank you very much.
Good night.
So this is a stand-up open mic type event. So I don't understand that they might like to get some jokes.
Who, me?
Yeah, it can be on any topic. There's no cursing allowed, and you can joke about anything, like marriage, anything you want to joke about.
I'm good. You move up.
I always really wanted to come to one of these events, right? But why are you supposed to? You're filming my eyeball. Yeah. What happened is a lot of these events is usually like on a Sunday evening, so I don't ever go to it. So when I heard that this one is on Tuesday night, I said let me go out and just show some support.
Nice.
And I love stand-up comedy, Yeah, I love stand-up
Well, I mean,
comedy.
I'm as well watching Dave Chappelle and thing,
Yeah. I love stand-up comedy. But I don't think I have guts to do it.
Tonight might be an iPad.
Nah, I don't think I'm interested in experimenting with that. I like stand-up.
Let me give the audience something, man.
So on stage, I don't think dark humor will go kind of good in our live audience in Trinidad.
Yeah.
People might be easily offended.
Please, nice one.
Very nice. You want a Mai Tai? You want a Mai Tai?
A Mai Tai? What is a Mai Tai?
No idea. But it look like you're gonna fight.
Yeah.
They don't get a Mai Tai. You wanna try one?
No, I good.
I don't know what this is.
We gonna find out.
So he said, Vietnam, 1969. As he said that, he passed me next to it. He said, don't you ready? But I didn't know, because I didn't have to run around me. But those are two stories. I went to New York and I met this Trini guy who has a pharmacy. I said, this way because you're hardly looking at Trinidad, but the most of them get accidents in the kill of pharmacy. So I was looking and I said, George, the only problem I have, I don't envy you. Just So when we were to do a show, I would ask him, there's this script, because I want to learn the lines and everything. I'm not lying to you, there's no script. He said, no, you go on stage. I'm talking 6,000 people in front of me. So I'm talking the script for. And he just told me, so I make you run around with you guys because I'm not sitting around because I don't know where you're going. I don't know. Saturday morning, everybody plays Boston and take the business. But let me tell you something. You know, and there are a lot of young people in here, we're not really passionate, no. But young people have a different sense of business and how they do things. Yeah, they're different. Myself different. Him, I don't know that they look different to how you see things that they see. Completely different. So you're going to start seeing here. This is a variety store. I have all kinds of things. I have shoes, socks, hat, pants. I have net for fishing boat. I have video. Alright, you tell me what. I have a place. I have lawn more grass. I have all kinds of things. I said, the shop, teacher, she said, alright. Right. Now, she said, so you ready? So you ready? I can tell you. Morning after the morning. You're late. No, it's 8 o'clock. You're late. But you're telling me 8 o'clock, yeah, no, it's starting for Saturday. Right. You're opening public. Right. You're here for 8 days. You have to come here before. So I can put down this stuff, get ready, find out if you have a sale or something today, so I can put up and start. You cannot finish at 8. Get it? Silence. Very good. I find you picking up and fast. Silence. I am the great salesman. I can tell you how to sell. And I will teach you how to sell to me. Okay?
Okay, I am a fast learner.
Okay. So anytime somebody comes to buy something, you must never sell them money.
But if they come for one thing,
I still talking, why you talking?
because
Who teaching you? Who is teaching you?
you are teaching me still.
Right. When they come to buy one thing, you must always make sure that you will at least two things. So you sell them something related.
Related.
Yes. So for example, this gentleman here in the store, he comes to buy a case for the food. Right? He said, I'm charging for the food because we have the best chargers. So we can look at the best chargers. You know, there's the food business is upsell. You know, like you're talking about a small juice or something. But you can't go and say, "Oh, that's it." So you have to be aware of these things.
And make sure related.
Make sure it's related.
Okay, good. So,
Because the problem will play out.
a road related.
Yeah, you come into the place and ask him for something, and we'll see how it doesn't move.
Okay, alright.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Yeah, you come in and ask him, why is he accept?
Okay. Morning.
Good morning, how are you? Say, you don't want to put it in, you have a nice dress. You look at it, you have a very nice dress. What did you do? He had to be outside. We started that name, but we did in front of us. I look great. How are you today?
I'm okay. I'm okay.
How can I help you today? You have anything you can think about, we have that today.
I'm looking for some grass seeds for lawn.
Grass seeds?
Yes, sir.
The plant, you know?
Yes, sir.
Let me tell you, we have the best grass seeds here. When you plant the seeds we have here, your lawn will grow fast, it will grow tall, and it will remain green. Even in the dry season, you will have a green lawn because we have the best seeds. The best thing about it is how quickly they grow. You will need a lawn, we have a green lawn, we have a green lawn here. So you're going to get the seeds, but you work for some lawn.
Yes. Alright.
Check it.
You don't mess up the grass in the road.
Right. It's
Related.
connected.
Related.
You have to sell the seeds.
Sell the seeds.
You know the seeds.
And the lawn more.
But yeah, you have to sell the seeds. You know the take the seeds. Then you can really don't know.
Alright. Feel happy.
You feel happy.
Feel happy. Okay.
Okay.
But let's go to the
I will be the customer. And you will be sales.
Okay. Hi, good morning. Welcome. The morning is so good. Tell me about the hearing of your face. Looks good on you. You look very, very good. How can I help you this morning?
Despite it. Start being happy with me. I will come in again. You have to be original, be yourself.
Okay.
You can't be yourself. You know that I mean, you can't be you. Right. You can't be you.
Okay.
Alright. One thing that I get is here.
Ready? I want to be me. Okay, I'm ready.
Come on.
Facilities.
I'm ready. Yes, everything is ready.
Good. How is your morning?
It's been a great morning.
Good. Yeah. You say.
I am very sick. Very sick.
How can I help you this morning?
I would like to get a packet of tampons.
Okay, you can get that. And we have different ones.
You have different sizes of tampons.
Yes. You have tampon. They come different, you know. And you could also, you have a great price on your nose. In my mind, I tell myself, if you want tampon, it means you're getting access to that. That's a one more. Just buy some things.
Alright, so listen, I'm about to bite into a big A burger from Avalas.
I cut it in half.
You think you are better than me?
Your husband, he won't tell me that.
Exactly.
He cannot tell me that. I'm Chris.
Yeah, well.
Oh, I flip camera. Hold on. Go ahead.
That's very good.
Burger patty,
You know,
cheese,
I say that.
The bun very
chicken
nice.
breast,
Oh yes, that was chicken breast in this.
and a fry egg.
Oh yeah. Yeah. That was chicken breast, the burger patty, and a fry egg.
Now this is big some room. Yeah, I don't think I might tell us.
Eh.
What?
Why should
What's that? What's that? What you say?
On stage we had George and Errol.
That's what you said.
Juicy burger, boy.
So, we continue.
Boss.
So, okay. I have a scenario.
Just a testimony.
You know.
Gotta try this, eh? Gotta try this.
George, when I'm finished. George, I will come. Man, you're talking next time. When I realized the time, grab my clothes, and I'm taking a dinner to the door. George, she said, "Where are you going now? You getting breakfast?" I said, "I'm get out of there, jump in the car, George. Man, what's man? I said,
Look, brother. Thank you very much. I enjoy myself. Right?
Big up Kevin Ali.
Kevin Ali.
Yeah, big up Kevin
flip
Ali.
camera. Flip camera.
Kevin Ali was here on the loose.
Flip camera. What? You're not on the load? All right, well, I'll flip the camera, man. Yeah, man. Big up to the man.
Yeah.
Kevin Ali. Yeah, man. Blessings. Thanks for the support.
Long time.
Yeah. We'll be very happy for the support. Yeah, man. Blessings. Yeah, man. And we out.